Hearing all of these terrible hair stories coming out, I feel like now more than ever it is crucial to know exactly what goes into the products we use and to make sure that they're safe and healthy. But unfortunately, pretty much the only way to be 100% sure is to make it yourself. Hi guys, and welcome to WholeElise. I'm Elise, and today I'm going to show you how to make a sulfate-free, chemical-free, paraben-free, problematic-free, all-natural shampoo. No one knows your hair better than you, so knowing how to make your own hair products that you can customize and tweak to every curl on your head is one of the best things that you can do for your hair. So I'm going to take you through how to make a simple natural shampoo recipe. I'll tell you what each ingredient does, how to make sure that your shampoo is pH balanced, and most importantly, how to preserve your shampoo so that it can completely substitute some of these highly questionable store-bought no-poos. If you're new around here, I focus on making completely natural and effective DIYs. I actually have a whole playlist dedicated to natural hair care, which you can click above, but subscribe to my channel for a variety of DIYs and weekly tutorials. Okay, let's get straight into making this shampoo recipe. So first things first, our cleanser. The cleanser you use is extremely important in maintaining the health of your hair and scalp. I'll be using African black soap because it's known for its incredible healing qualities, and it will be great in our shampoo because it will clean our scalp without leaving it stripped and irritable. And unlike Castile soap, which is another popular natural soap that's used in shampoos, black soap is actually less alkaline, making it closer to our scalp's pH, but also less likely to be as harsh or cause irritation. African black soap is a traditional natural soap made from harvesting plants such as plantain and cocoa pods. They're dried and roasted, which gives it its colour, and then oils are added. And that's all it's made of. It doesn't have any fragrances, colouring or preservatives. Authentic black soap is soft and crumbly and has a marble texture that ranges from brown to beige, but it's never completely black. As a way to support the people who make it, try to buy your soap from companies that source it directly from the local communities, usually in Ghana or Nigeria. Place your soap in a heat-proof jar and then pour warm water all over it. Because black soap is naturally so soft, it will be able to dissolve completely in the water. Once the soap has dissolved, pour out 100 grams into a container, which we'll then use to make our natural shampoo. Measure out your ingredients with a scale. The aloe vera will hydrate our hair and repair any damage to our scalp. It, along with the jojoba oil and glycerin, also help to balance out the pH of our shampoo. The combination of jojoba and castor oil nourishes the hair while strengthening the strands to prevent breakage and hair loss. Pour all of your ingredients into the liquid black soap and whisk to make sure they're combined. You may have noticed a lot of skin and hair products talking about being pH balanced, and that's because if a product or cleansing agent is too acidic or alkaline, that can cause things like flare-ups, irritations, and potentially damage your hair. Our scalp is naturally acidic. And to put that into perspective, chemical treatments like relaxers and permanent hair dyes are all highly alkaline, and that's how they're able to alter the structure of our hair. So the pH of a product is incredibly important. If a product is too alkaline, it actually raises the outer cuticle layer of our hair, making it very difficult for your hair to maintain moisture. This is what leads to it being dry, brittle, prone to damage and breakage and tangly. But on the flip side, if it's too acidic, it causes that cuticle layer to contract, and that makes it extremely difficult to moisturize your hair, so then that also leads to breakage. So it's really important to get that pH balance just right.
You can test the pH of our shampoo by using pH strips. Once dipped into any liquid, they'll change colour, and then you can compare the colour to the graph on the back to find out the pH. Our black soap is naturally alkaline with a pH of around 8 to 9. However, apple cider vinegar is highly acidic, so we'll add this to our shampoo to bring the pH into a range that's best for our scalp. I like mine to be around 5.5, but try whatever works best for you. Apple cider vinegar is one of the best cleansing and balancing treatments for your hair. It helps exfoliate dry flakes from your scalp, remove residue, and boost shine.
I've spoken about this before, but preservatives in your DIYs is so important. A good way to think of homemade products is similar to that of food. So if you left a bowl of soup out of the fridge for a few days and then tried to go back to eating it, we all know what would happen. But the same thing happens with your DIY products. Because of the water in the products, bacteria and fungi will grow almost instantly, and the last thing you want to do is put something like that on your hair and your scalp. Now there are several natural preservatives that you can use, and I talk more about this in my DIY lotions video, so you can click the link above for more information. But for now, without a preservative, your shampoo will last for about as long as a bowl of soup. Not long.
Add your preservative and antioxidant by weighing the total amount of your shampoo and working out what percentage you need to add. Essential oils have amazing benefits for your hair and scalp. This is the opportunity to add them. You can use whichever you like, but I'm using peppermint for its dandruff fighting and hair growth properties, lavender for reducing inflammation on the scalp and thickening hair, and bergamot oil for adding shine and taming frizz.
First off, this smells amazing. Don't let the apple cider vinegar fool you, none of that comes through. It kind of smells like a sort of citrusy, lavendery, minty cocktail. Just delicious. For me, this shampoo isn't stripping at all. I find a good way to test how stripping a shampoo will be is to actually just wash your hands with it. Don't put on any moisturizer afterwards, just kind of feel your hands. If you notice that your hands feel very dry, then that's a pretty good indicator that the shampoo will also be stripping on your scalp. But that's why I like to use African black soap, because it naturally has things like coconut oil and shea butter added into the soap. In addition to all the oils we added and the aloe vera, this makes for a very moisturizing shampoo recipe. You might have also noticed that the shampoo is two different colors, and that's just because the oil and the water in the mixture has separated. We didn't use an emulsifier, and oil and water don't mix naturally by themselves, so all you'd need to do is to shake it up before applying it to your scalp. Now of course you can put an emulsifier in this recipe, but I decided to leave it out because I wanted this to be a beginner friendly, very simple, basic natural shampoo. But just make sure that you shake it up before you use it. This shampoo is also on the runnier side because of course we didn't use any thickening agents because we want to keep this a simple recipe. I find that if you use it with an applicator bottle, then it's really easy to apply to your hair and your scalp. You can pick these up online or in the hair shop. I actually bought this one in the bakery section. It's a really small size and it also has a little cap that goes with it, so it's perfect for traveling. But yeah, any applicator bottle will do really well with this shampoo. And just like that, we've made our own completely natural, pH balanced, amazing no poo shampoo. I know that it can be alarming to learn that products that we've been using on our hair for a long time may in fact be doing more harm than good, but hopefully knowing that you can make your own completely natural and effective shampoo at home will put your mind at ease. I have a bunch more tutorials on skincare, hair care, and even some delicious recipes that you can check out on my channel, and subscribe for new DIYs every week. Thanks for watching!
You know those pH strips are so handy? I'm literally running around testing the pH of everything.